Hi, this is 2016 Honda Civic. I'm going to replace front brake pad and the rotor. Let me show you where I put the jack. This is the front tire. Right next to the front tire, you see this? This is the metal. This is the metal right there. See this? So put right there. So make sure you put the jack and a jack stand, please. So make sure you put the jack stand too, please. And this is the 19 millimeter. Your may be different. I'm gonna open all this lug nut. 19 millimeter. After to open the tire, take one of the screwdriver or something like this. You see the hole right there? It's go inside. There's a one hole right there, so you can go up to the hole. See, just pull this, pull it towards to you, so you can release the piston. Now is the caliper is loose. The piston is no more catching this the rotor. So after that I'm going to open these bolt. So these are 12 millimeter bolt right there, one here, one right there. So I'm going to open both. Open this board like so. The one. So hold this so it's not gonna fall. So after this two ball out, take this whole caliper. So this caliper don't like release like this, you have to hold with something. So I have a hook in here. This hook, you can use a bungee cord or something, just hang right there. See this? This is hanging now. Now I can replace this brake pad. Pull this out, pin, take this. Sometimes I get stuck. So sometimes it gets stuck. So take this off. Now we have to put this piston. So this piston I'm gonna push a little bit more inside. If your caliper is perfect, everything is working good, then when you with the channel lock, you just push it like this. It's supposed to go very easily without any binding. So this is good. This went very smoothly inside. You see it's flush now. After that if they give you the shim right here, this simply just pull it like this. Just pull it like that. Usually most of company they give you the new one, but some of no. If they don't give you the new one, just clean this with a wire brush or something and put it back simply like that. It's very easy. Now you have to check this caliper guide pin. This is supposed to go in and out, as well the other one too. So this is pretty good. If not, just open like this and put some brake grease here and put it back. This one is pretty good. See, very good. So open the rotor. There's a 2 bore 17 millimeter, 1 ball 17 here, the 1 ball 17 right here. I'm gonna open these 2, then I can take this rotor off. After I open 2 17 millimeter ball, simply just take the caliper breaker out and I can take this rotor. So there's a 1 screw right here. It's very difficult, Honda. Sometimes you're lucky you can open that, otherwise you have to drill this. So let's see. So I opened this screw. You see, this is the, when you open this screw, this is you need this one. You see this one is different than this. So same like this, you want to open this screw. See this is flat right there, this is different. So this one can open your the screw. I put a little bit of WD-40 before, then I used the gun right here and it came very easily. So you gotta go like this, or otherwise you have to drill this. If you don't want to use the rotor, just beat the rotor here, eventually it will come out. So now this rotor is very tight, stuck right there. I'm gonna put this tab. And it's out. So when you open this, clean a little bit in here, or you put some NICs or something right here. You put WD-40, so next time it will come easily. So this is the screw hole. Match the hole right there. So this screw hole right there. So I'm gonna put this screw first. And put the screw. That's it. Just clean a little bit in here, all this groove right here, right there. Let me put this bracket back and put 2 ball right here. So make sure you tighten the ball. So I'm gonna hammer it a little bit. So I'm gonna hammer it a little bit, make sure it's tight. Everything is good now. Same thing the other one too. So these are 2 balls you have. So idea, this one and the top one right there. Make sure you tie 2 bolts. So they give you shim like this. So put it in one by one like that. And just push it in. There you go. See, as the groove is go inside. So make sure it's not touching here. So just put a little screwdriver or something right here. Same thing the other side. So it's not gonna touch the rotor. Same thing on the top. Brake pad. Look at the orientation. this one just go in here like this easily. So do you have the wire indicator? You have to use one of these. So go to the other side like so. See this? After that, just put the caliper back like that. And put this bolt and the other bolt, these two bolts tied very good. After that, put the tire back. You have to pump the brake couple times. The brake get hard, then you start it. Otherwise, vehicle not gonna stop. So make sure you push the brake before you start the car. Okay, be careful. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.